CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, for people who collapse on the ground and people who lost consciousness. We should follow Doctors ABC, DRS ABC. Doctors ABC. D. Danger. Check if the scene is safe. The scene is safe. Doctors ABC are response. Hey, are you okay? No response. S. Shout for help. Help! A. Airway. Tilt the head back and clear the airway. B. Breathing. Look, listen, and feel. Look if the chest is moving. Listen if there's breathing. Feel if there's breathing. C. Check for pulse. No pulse. Trace the last strip to the chest. Place both hands on top of each other. Lock it. Straighten your arms and do 30 chest compressions. 1, 2, 30. Then do rescue breath. Keep on doing CPR until an ambulance comes.